Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Trainer. Today I am going to discussing about switch passwords. But firstly you must know about the modes of switches. There are three modes of switches. First is the user access mode. Second one is privilege or administrator mode. Then third one is global configuration mode. All the configuration done in global configuration mode and all the configuration are checked through administrator mode. Now I'm telling about types of password in switches. The first one is enable password, then second one is enable secret password, then third one is console password. Now I'm telling about how to configure it. First is enable password. In user access mode, type enable, then press enter. After comes in privilege mode, type configure space terminal, then press enter. Then you comes in configuration mode, then type enable space password space password name, then press enter. Then exit from the configuration mode, then type write for save the all setting. Now I'm going to practically perform these steps. Open Cisco Packet Tracer Student and I'm taking a switch. Then click on switch and go to CLI mode. In privilege mode, type enable, enter. Then comes in privilege mode. After that, type configure space terminal, then press enter. After comes in configuration mode, type enable space password space password name, then press enter. Then exit from the configuration mode and type write for save the all setting. For checking this configuration, exit from the privilege mode or restart the switch. When you type enable in user access mode, you doesn't go in privilege mode. You have to type enable password to go in privilege mode. Then I am typing the enable password to comes in privilege mode. Now the second one is enable secret password. Press enter to start the switch and then type enable in user access mode, then type configure terminal in privilege mode to comes in configuration mode. After comes in configuration mode, you have to type enable space secret space password name. After that, press enter and exit from the configuration mode, then press enter and type write for save all the settings. Now I'm practically perform these steps. Now I'm taking a switch to perform the steps. Click on switch and go to CLI mode. Press enter to comes in user access mode, then type enable and enter. to comes in privilege mode. Then type configure terminal to go in configuration mode. Then press enter. After comes in configuration mode, type enable secret password name. Then press enter. After typing password, then exit from the configuration mode. And type right for save the all setting. There is little difference in enable and enable secret password. Enable password is not secure or not easily crackable, but enable secret password doesn't crackable, not to be decrypt. Now third one is console password. In user access mode, type enable to go in privilege mode. After comes in privilege mode, press type configured space terminal to go in configuration mode. After comes in configuration mode, type and line space console space 0 and press enter. After comes in line mode, type password space password name, then press enter. After that you have to log in, then press enter. Then exit from the configuration mode and write for save the all setting. Now I'm going to practically perform these steps. Now I'm taking a switch and click on switch and click on CLI. Then press enter to comes in user access mode. Then type enable to comes in privilege mode. After that type configure space terminal. Then press enter. After comes in configuration mode, type line space console 0. If you have 2 ports, you can type 0 or 1. After that, press enter to comes in line mode. Then type password space password name. You can type complex or easy password. Then press enter. After that you have to log in. If you not type login, then you are not able to apply the console password at the time of login. You must type login, then enter, then exit from the line mode, then exit from the configuration mode, then type right for save all the settings and exit from the privilege mode to check the configurations. Press enter. Then type password to comes in user access mode. Thanks for watching and keep watching and like my videos. Goodbye.